Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to today's AI News Roundup, brought to you by AI. I'm your host, Babs, and I've got the latest updates on artificial intelligence developments from around the world. Let's dive in. Our news for today includes Energy-Guzzling AI is also the future of energy savings, the Wall Street Journal. African drone company uses AI to give vital help to U.S. fruit and nut farmers, Fox News. AI poised to replace entry-level positions at large financial institutions, CIO, and tech leaders once cried for AI regulation. Now the message is slow down, Wired. Time to jump in. Artificial intelligence data centers are consuming a significant amount of power, posing a threat to electricity grids. However, AI's use in optimizing energy efficiency in homes and buildings could help alleviate the problem. Training AI models on large data sets requires substantial power, with even simple tasks consuming much more electricity than regular searches. Without energy savings, AI data centers could consume 25% of America's power by 2030. Finding ways to conserve energy in other buildings through AI could be a solution. South African company Aerobotics is using AI to help fruit and nut farmers improve crop yields. They have mapped over 600,000 acres of U.S. farmland, and their AI platform analyzes data and images to report on fruit health, predict crop yield, and detect irrigation issues. The AI models learn and adapt to localized growing conditions, enhancing forecasting accuracy. The software also assists with fertilizer usage, replanting, and determining crop insurance policies. The data-driven approach helps in the production of high-value fruits and nuts, and customers have seen improvements in health uniformity and efficiency of data collection. Financial services firms like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are testing AI tools that could replace entry-level financial analyst positions, potentially impacting 2/3 of these positions. The use of generative AI in the financial industry could automate tasks such as information processing and financial analysis, leading to further automation, risk mitigation, and optimization. This could result in fewer employees with technology needs, but new challenges in implementing and managing AI tools. The implications of generative AI in finance are still unknown, but its ability to process data and produce novel content holds promise for progressive disruptions. The financial services industry, along with law and market research, is expected to be among the first to see the effects of AI implementation. Box CEO Aaron Levie expresses skepticism about the need for extensive AI regulation, highlighting the lack of consensus within the tech industry. He believes that dreams of a sweeping AI bill in the U.S. are doomed, and that Europe's approach to regulating AI is risky. Other tech executives, including Google's Kent Walker, emphasize the importance of protecting U.S. leadership in AI and express concerns about state-level AI legislation. The article also discusses the challenges of creating effective AI regulation, the difficulty of defining fair use in the age of AI, and the White House's non-binding blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights. Despite calls for AI regulation, the article suggests that Congress should focus on curbing previous abuses in social media and passing privacy legislation. The author also briefly addresses the high cost of razor blades and the challenges faced by newcomers in the shaving industry. Well, that's a wrap for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more daily updates. And if you want to catch up on any news you might have missed, check out one of the other videos on the screen. As always, I'll leave you with a little AI joke. Why did the robot go on a diet? Because it had too many bites. Until next time, stay curious and keep those neural networks firing.